BJP, they're upping the ante against the Congress government in the state of Rajasthan. These are visuals coming in from Jaipur.
अराजक तत्वों को संरक्षण देती है, जो सरकार दंगाइयों को संरक्षण देती है, जो सरकार भ्रष्टाचारियों को संरक्षण देती है, बलात्कारियों को संरक्षण देती है, सांप्रदायिक ताकतों को संरक्षण देती है, जो बजरी माफिया और माफिया को संरक्षण देती है, उस सरकार को राजस्थान की जनता अब सहन नहीं करेगी। राजस्थान का अपमान राजस्थान की जनता सहन नहीं करेगी। दलितों की बेटियों के साथ अत्याचार राजस्थान की जनता सहन नहीं करेगी। ये संकल्प लेकर के आज लाखों लोग यहाँ आए थे। जितने लोग आए हैं केवल इस संख्या को देखने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। ये हर गांव से, हर ढाणी से, हर बूथ से जो वहाँ के लोगों का आक्रोश है, जो उनके मन का भाव है, वो लेकर के यहाँ लोग एकत्रित हुए हैं। आने वाले चुनाव में राजस्थान की जनता के इस आक्रोश में वर्तमान की सरकार जल करके भस्म होने वाली है।
लाल डायरी का मामला सामने आ रहा है।
देखिए, लाल डायरी जो चीख करके हम पिछले 4.5 साल से कह रहे थे कि ये राजस्थान की सरकार भ्रष्टाचारी सरकार है। केवल हम ही नहीं, कांग्रेस पार्टी के एमएलए कह रहे थे, सदन पर के पटल पर खड़े होकर के विधायक और मंत्री कह रहे थे, मंत्री का दर्जा प्राप्त लोग कह रहे थे, कैबिनेट में बैठने वाले लोग कह रहे थे कि ये सदी की सबसे भ्रष्टाचारी सरकार है। अब उस पर मुहर लग गई है और अब राजस्थान की जनता जवाब मांगती है कि उस लाल डायरी में क्या लिखा गया था, उस लाल डायरी में क्या राज दफन थे, जिसको छीनने के लिए इस तरह से 2 दिन पहले तक सरकार में कैबिनेट में मंत्री रहे राजेंद्र सिंह जी पर इस तरह से हमला किया गया, उनके साथ दुराचार किया गया, उनको लातें मारी गई, उनके साथ मारपीट की गई और डायरी के पन्ने छीन लिए गए। मैं तो यह पूछना चाहता हूं कि इस डायरी के अलावा राजस्थान के कितने काले कारनामों के डायरी आपके पास हैं? ये तो एक डायरी थी। इसके अलावा आबकारी भ्रष्टाचार की डायरी अलग होगी, जो माइनिंग में भ्रष्टाचार और घोटाला हुआ उसकी डायरी अलग होगी, जो ठेकों में गड़बड़ झाला हुआ उसकी डायरी शायद हरी रंग की होगी। ऐसी हरी, पीली, नीली, काली और गुलाबी, इन सब डायरियों का हिसाब जो है राजस्थान की जनता आपके बार करने वाली है।
Jai Kishan continues to be with us. Top leaders of the BJP at the protest. Jai Kishan, the party throwing its weight, behind these issues, also putting the spotlight on the Congress's performance vis-a-vis law and order in the state.
What gave Sanjeevani to this BJP workers is the red diary. It was Rajendra Singh who spoke against the rising crime against women in Rajasthan in Vidhan Sabha when he was refused and he was terminated from the post of cabinet minister here in Rajasthan. He brought in a new shocking revelation.
He brought in a new shocking revelation that was called Red Diary. This Red Diary allegedly belonged to Dharmendra Singh Rathod, RTTC chairperson, a very close person of Ashok Gehlot. And in this diary, he has alleged that in this diary, there are records of corruption, there are records of manipulation of elections of Rajasthan Cricket Assembly, and there are also records of the entire scams which BJP is alleging took place in PhD and other departments. But now today, after the Lal Diary gave Sanjeevani to this BJP, this is one of the biggest protests in last 4.5 years, which BJP has staged. Earlier it was Sachin Pilot who used to act like as an opposition. He was the one who used to mobilize crowd, youngsters on streets. But now after Sachin Pilot has been silent and he has been asked to work for the party, this BJP is again in the active mode. They have geared up. You can see, Nikhil is constantly showing you. We are getting constant frames that these senior top leaders are here. Barricadings have been placed close to Statue Circle. It is just 100 meters from. It is just 100 meters from the Secretariat and 1 kilometers from Vidhan Sabha. They are constantly asking the government, the state administration officials, police officials, that they want to submit a memorandum in Secretariat to the Chief Secretary. But what the officials are claiming is that they have been given permission till this particular point. But what could have added more to this dharna of BJP was Vasundhara Raje's presence. She has been absent in all the protests, whether it was related to Jan Akrosh Yatras or any others. She has been missing in all the protests when Satish Punia was president, or now CP Joshi. Other than Vasundhara Raje, she is in Delhi. All senior leaders are present here. The frame was very much visible and the message was very much clear that this is the second line of BJP. This is new BJP which has Rajyavardhan Rathod, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Rajendra Rathod, CP Joshi, Arun Singh, Diya Kumari, Bhajan Lal Sharma, Satish Punia, CR Chaudhary, PP Chaudhary, Balaknath, Member of Parliament. This is the new BJP and the old BJP from Rajpal Singh Shekhawat, Srichand Kriplani, Arun Chaturvedi. It was missing. So it's a generational shift also. This protest is also a reflection of generational shift in state BJP.
In fact, Rajyavardhan Rathore has spoken. Listen in.
डंडे पड़े हैं, लेकिन हमें डंडों से डर नहीं लगता. हम अपराधी नहीं बनना चाहते. हम कल को पुलिस वालों को पकड़ेंगे तो हम अपराधी बनते हैं. हम अपराधी नहीं बनना चाहते. अपराधी पीछे छुपे हुए, पुलिस वालों के पीछे छुपे बैठे, उस वाटर कैनन के पीछे छुपे बैठे, वो है अपराधी. और अभी तो वो शुक्र मनाए कि साधारण जनता सड़क पे नहीं निकल रही, नहीं तो लोकतंत्र नहीं इनको हाथ से पकड़ के बाहर निकाल सकती है. हम लोकतंत्र से इनको बाहर निकालेंगे.
Jai Kishan continues, in fact, to be with us. Jai Kishan, you were getting us an idea about the situation right now on the ground. It does appear that the police is, in fact, and the authorities that still trying to bring the situation under control.
आज इस लाल डायरी के माध्यम से प्रूव हुआ है, ये सिद्ध हुआ है और हजारों हजार लोग ये मानने लगे हैं कि अभी ये केवल एक डायरी आई है, इसके अलावा पत्नी कितने कितने रंग की डायरियां और आने वाली है.
तो देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर केंद्रीय मंत्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जो बारिश में पूरी तरह से भीगे हुए थे और यहाँ पर एक कार्यकर्ताओं में देखिए जोश दिखाई दे रहा है. उसकी वजह यह भी कहा जा सकता है क्योंकि चुनाव है और चुनाव के समय जिस तरह से बड़ी संख्या में बीजेपी के नेता आए हैं, कार्यकर्ता आए हैं, यह भी एक वजह हो सकती है कि यहाँ पर मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा, एक बार कार्यकर्ताओं को भी देख लें.
All right, getting in details as far as the Jaipur protest organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. Remember, the Prime Minister himself had spoken about the fact that the party must come together, workers must come together to expose the Ashok Gehlot government and its so-called failure, as is being alleged by the BJP, in terms of handling of the law and order situation in the state. Reporting on crime against women, which the BJP alleges is the worst in the state of Rajasthan. These are dramatic pictures coming in of the protests being held in Jaipur. Jai Kishan has more details on that story. Jai Kishan, what more can you tell us about this particular protest, and is the BJP also planning to protest in other places in Rajasthan as well?
So this is the beginning of Nahi Sahega Rajasthan, a campaign of BJP. This was inaugural protest by the BJP which started from the capital of Rajasthan. Now what BJP's senior leaders will go to the division level from Bharatpur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaipur Rural, Alwar. These are the divisions where BJP will go in along with their senior leaders, their faces, and they will push in with more force and do more protests like this, and they will be constantly taking on the Congress government on the issues of corruption, on the alleged issues of rising crime against women. And it is interesting to note that before this rally began, senior leaders of BJP were addressing. Three things were common in the speeches of Dr. Kirodilal Meena, Rajyavardhan Rathore, Satish Punia, Arun Singh and State BJP President CP Joshi. 3 issues were common. One was rising crime against women. Second was Lail diary of corruption. Third was allegation on Congress on polarization. They bring in the issues of Bhilwara yesterday. A video went viral where the young school students had alleged that few obnoxious elements have mixed urine in the bottle. So these were the issues which were raised by the senior leaders of BJP. And now
senior leaders of the BJP on the streets of Jaipur there, as you can see in these pictures. Thanking you, Jai Kishan, for the moment, for getting us those details.